Yes, good morning. So the first point is that what is happening and will continue to affect the world is that we are now in an era of normalization of rates. We had abnormal rates. There's a lot of capital invested in areas that will now not be as profitable, and that is going to continue to create, volatility. But the important point is that this is not 2008. What has happened it's not a systemic crisis. It's not a banking crisis. It's been specific banks that were badly managed, where the issues are well known, mismatches, liquidity issues, and so on. And so the key point is, what is it we need from banks once we have trebled, multiplied by 3 the capital in the banking system? We have a resilient banking system. The regulated banks are in a very strong position. And so what we need is a fundamental rethink of what do we want banks to be in the new economy, in a world that needs growth. And finding that balance is really important between being prudent, and we're not saying that we should go back on that, but also being able to finance growth. And this is really the key point that we're making here at the IIF.
And it is a great opportunity to talk to you about the smaller banks, the regional banks, given what Spain itself also witnessed in recent years. It was the smaller lenders that had a problem with debts last time in the European financial crisis. Why is it so relevant to keep some of these names and to ensure that names like Santander don't just get bigger and bigger as deposits flow to your bank at the expense of the smaller lenders?
Well, I mean, Europe and the U.S. are very different banking markets. In 2008, the biggest bank in the U.S. and the biggest bank in Europe were worth the same. Today, the biggest bank in the U.S. is worth what the top 9 or 10 banks in Europe, because, among other things, we've had less growth. You mentioned Spain. In Spain, the banks actually saved the savings banks, which were intervened. They were not run in the same way. So it's really important that banks have the scale to compete in today's economy. There's very high levels of capital, of supervision, also not just regulation, but supervision. And this is important to be able to compete in a global economy. In Europe, we need to get banking union, we need capital markets union to be able to get that scale that we need to be able to support our customers and our economies. And I believe that is really important in the digital economy, so we can invest in technology and really take advantage of the big opportunities that are helping our customers transition to a green economy and to a more digital economy. That requires, again, scale to invest and to be able to accompany them.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.